Upgrading your steering wheel is one of the easiest ways to transform the look and feel of your vehicle, and this Grant steering wheel installation kit is the essential foundation that makes that upgrade possible. Designed specifically for installing Grant Classic Series, Challenger Series, or Signature Series steering wheels, this vehicle-specific kit ensures a secure fit, proper alignment, and confident driving feel once installation is complete. This is the standard Grant installation kit trusted by enthusiasts and restorers who want a clean, professional result without guesswork. Each kit includes a precision die-cast hub engineered to match your vehicle, along with strong Grade 5 hardware that delivers long-lasting durability and dependable performance. The included matte black trim pieces provide a clean, finished appearance that blends seamlessly with both classic and modern interiors. Installation is made straightforward with complete, step-by-step instructions included in the box. Even though the adapter is vehicle-specific, the instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process approachable for anyone with basic mechanical knowledge. Once your original steering wheel is removed, this kit allows the new wheel to mount securely and correctly, restoring confidence behind the wheel. This installation kit is designed exclusively for vehicles without airbags and should not be used on any airbag-equipped vehicle. When matched correctly to your vehicle, it delivers a precise fit that feels solid and factory correct. Many users appreciate how smoothly the process goes once the correct adapter is selected, especially on classic trucks and cars where simplicity and reliability matter most. Before purchasing, be sure to confirm your vehicle compatibility to ensure proper fitment. If you are planning to install a Grant Classic, Challenger, or Signature Series steering wheel, this installation kit is a necessary and reliable choice. Click the link in the video description to purchase, and subscribe to the channel for more trusted automotive upgrades and installation solutions.